Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Translate offline, follow these easy steps to translate text without an internet connection. Step 1. Download and open the Google Translate app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the app. Step 3. Select offline translation from the menu options. Step 4. You'll see a list of available languages for offline download. Browse through and find the languages you need. Step 5. Tap the download icon next to each language you want to use offline. The file size will be shown, so ensure you have enough storage space. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. Larger language packs may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once downloaded, you'll see a checkmark indicating the language is available offline. Step 8. Now when you use Google Translate, even without internet connection, you can translate between any of your downloaded languages by typing or speaking, though some features like camera translation and handwriting may have limited functionality offline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.